can I edit the buttons or add to an existing video with only one button? I thought there was a delete and do another one to lose the analytic piece. Robert, that question about can I edit buttons or add existing video with only one button? You can make all those adjustments on one video or you can do it to the actual landing page. Can you hear me okay, Robert? You can unmute yourself if you'd like to.
Yeah, I got that. But I made an avatar video,
Mhm.
and I don't know why there was only one button. I missed that, and I wanted to add buttons, but I couldn't find how to
Yeah.
add.
If you go, let me just show you this right here. If you're inside Dubb, okay, so if you're inside here, right? So you can either do a couple things. So if you have a video that you made, let's just say it's this video right here, right? And just for this video, you can click details if you wanted just to go out with this video. You can change the buttons or the playlist videos here. So you can delete or
Oh,
add buttons. So you can delete the ones you want, click the blue plus, click in here, and you have to have already have created the buttons, obviously, to be able to choose from them and pick the ones that you want. Same thing with the videos. Click in here, it'll show all the videos you recorded, pick one that you want, delete or add. And that's for this specific video. If you want to make it part of the landing pages permanently, you can come over to the assets, go to presets, it's the landing pages, and then choose your preset, whatever one it is, click edit. And then down here, you can add more buttons or take ones away, or add more videos and take them away. And then just click save and close down here at the bottom. So either individually with a video or with the pages. Does that make sense?
yeah, wonderful.